Here I have Realme 9 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find button screen recording. By holding your finger on this button you can access its settings. For example, you can record system sound, you can record microphone sound, you can change picture definition, you can change its frame rate, you can record from camera video, you can show screen touches, you can select video calling format, and that's it. So to start recording, just tap on this button once and this menu will appear. Here you can access some settings too, some sound settings for example. And to start recording, just tap on this red button and recording starts. So let's record something. You can also pause recording by tapping here, then play it once again. And to stop recording, you just tap on the red button once again, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called screenshots, and here it is. Here is our recording, and from here you can share, edit or delete your recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.